Hey, what's going on everybody? Marissa Romero here, back at it with another video for you today, and we are talking about retiring young in 2019 by making lifetime affiliate marketing commissions. Now, I love talking about recurring commissions and being an affiliate marketer for a product that is subscription based because it is by far some of your most predictable income, and once you do the hard work up front, it is simply the easiest commissions you'll ever make because you'll make these commissions in your sleep, while you're at the beach, while you're doing other things. The commissions just roll in continually every single month, and we're going to be talking about that today. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to go ahead and join the family. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I upload multiple videos just like this every single week. I do mad research into every single topic that I do to bring you guys the highest value. So if you like the sounds of that, go ahead and support the channel and join the family. All right, so as I mentioned in today's video, we're talking about the top programs that are going to allow you to have lifetime commissions, and you'll be able to receive those commissions month after month very comfortably once you do the upfront work. So let's get right into it. The first website I wanted to talk about is Clickbank. Now, people go about using and promoting Clickbank products the wrong way. They kind of just want to make a quick buck, but these tips are going to help you. So what I suggest to you guys is go to clickbank.com, go to the affiliate marketing place, just go to the search bar, doesn't matter what niche, just so you can kind of see where I'm going with this, right? And on the left, you want to categorize the filters for 30 for gravity and around $15 for the average rebill total. So the reason why is because when you have a gravity of at least 30, you know that the product is converting well, and when you put in that rebill amount for that value, that means that that's the minimum amount of money you'll make in recurring commissions every single month. So this works for any niche, which is really awesome. The commissions vary, so let's take a look really quick at how you would do this. So you go to Clickbank, go to the affiliate marketing place, and then you're here, you just want to click on the search button really quick. So just enter in gravity of 30, and then you're going to go to average rebill. Let's just type in 15 or $10, whatever you think is best. And you see the top Clickbank products that have recurring commissions. So let's zoom in. Look at this average rebill total, $98. And the gravity of 188. Now those numbers for this particular product, Ted's Woodworking, look really good. And as you can see, the Organifi product, a lot of people in the health niche promote Organifi. It's a great product. Everything looks solid with those numbers. And you can just go through all these products and see which ones fit your niche. And I would, suggest really to go with these type of products to capitalize on the recurring commissions every single month. So yeah, Halki Diabetes Remedy, the Red Tea Detox, some of us have seen these products before, Text Chemistry, but really guys, when you're starting out, these are the products worth promoting first. So the next category of these types of products are membership site building platforms. So a platform or a website where you can build a membership site, where you can have a digital course, where you can build an online course for your audience in your expertise. So this is, educational based. A lot of people use teachable.com, Kajabi, Thinkific. I particularly use a product called Kartra, and I'll talk about that a little later. But essentially, online business and online education has been the way to go for at least the past 15 years. If you're interested in hosting and building an online course, I would consider doing it with a platform that you can actually promote. And your first steps would be to get a couple sales so that it could pay for the product. And then the next steps would be to get more sales than that so that you can be profitable with this product and you won't be in the negative when you have to pay a monthly fee for your subscription. So just look into these affiliate programs like Thinkific, for example. Become a Thinkific partner. Are you a course creator who loves Thinkific? By becoming blah, 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 you can earn up to $675 per referral per year. So you can read the benefits: 20% recurring commissions on all monthly paid plans, 20% commissions on all new annual paid plans, plus an extra bonus of $25, $75, or $150. So essentially, just be sure to look into these type of things when you're looking to promote a platform like this. The next category is sales funnel building platforms. And I love this category because nowadays, for any type of business, whether it's online or not, People need sales funnels for their business. It's essential. I don't care what anybody says, you have to build sales funnels. So these are a list of some of the most well-known sales funnel builders in the world, starting with Kartra, ClickFunnels, Builderall, Lead Pages, and Instapage. And next to it is the percentage of the recurring commissions. Obviously with Builderall, it's a little different because you get 100% commissions on the first sale for the first month. And then after that, it's a 30% recurring commission. And I do highlight Builderall because it has a dynamite affiliate program. I'm an affiliate for both Kartra and Builderall, and every single month I'm in the top 5 to 10 affiliates for Kartra, and I'm one of the top affiliates for Builderall of all time. And really that came from just helping people get started with Kartra, learning the platform, teaching other people how to do it, adding value, and that's how people were able to sign up to my link. And I also offer bonuses for people that sign up through me with these platforms. I also know many affiliates who are affiliates for ClickFunnels, and they make a ton of money. The competition is the highest for ClickFunnels, but it is still an awesome affiliate program. I don't know as much about Lead Pages and Instapages, just what their percentage of referral commissions is. That's about all I know. But yeah, I'll leave the links to my bonus pages for Kartra and Builderall in the bottom so you could check it out if you guys are interested in those platforms. And so naturally, next I have to talk about the next type of software or tool to promote, and those are email marketing platforms. Now, Kartra and Builderall show up again because they are both a sales funnel building software and an email marketing platform in one tool. That's why I included it in this list. Aweber is a standalone email marketing platform, as well as SendLane and GetResponse. All of these platforms are solid. My advice to you is to maybe do a trial of each of them, get to know the platform. I mean, don't go too crazy over it trying to learn 6 different platforms and figure out which one is right for you. Maybe go and watch some review videos and see which one works the best for your business. But overall, they're all solid. And just do your due diligence and look into each one of them to see which one of them you'd be interested in using for your business and also promoting. So the next type of online business tool I must mention are web hosting platforms such as WordPress.com, Wix.com, Liquid Web, and Beyond Hosting. So all these places you can have a website. What's really cool about WordPress is that millions of people use it. Yes, the competition is high, but people will always and forever use WordPress. I have a WordPress website in the making. I'm not an official affiliate for WordPress, but I imagine that I would be in the future. With Wix, I did want to mention that they do offer $100 per conversion, even though it's not recurring. $100 is a pretty good chunk of money, and Wix is pretty cool. They have beautiful templates and all that great stuff. So just wanted to quickly take a look at the WordPress affiliate page. Earn money through WordPress.com referrals, earn up to a $300 commission for every conversion. So that's pretty cool. I don't know how it works, but do more research into it if website building and website hosting you think will fall into your niche, especially if you're the type of person who really likes design and creating websites and graphic design, and you have an eye for creativity and that type of thing. It may be a good fit for you. So how do you start to promote these types of products? Well, as you can see on my channel, I have different examples of me teaching people how to use different types of products such as Kartra and Builderall and other social media tools. However, if you do want to start, let's say, a tech website or blog, if you want to start a tech YouTube channel, those are excellent ways to do it. And I wanted to show this girl's YouTube channel. She actually is a Squarespace authorized trainer. So she teaches people on her channel in the website niche, how to build a website. And she, look at this video. She goes over Squarespace versus Teachable, how to host your online course on Squarespace. So she's teaching people how to do it. Naturally, people are going to sign up through her because she has helped them a lot. And that's how she will continue to have these really nice monthly recurring commissions for a very long time. And also, here's an example of a blog website where they, teach people about websites. And so you could see, if you read through this article, it gives a lot of great information, such as how people build websites in 2019, WordPress versus Wix, Joomla, progress Sitefinity, Squarespace, Weebly, etc., etc. And any link that you click on here will be a link to their affiliate link so that they could get the commission for the sale. So guys, I hope this was really helpful for you. If you've made it to the end of the video, I'm glad you did, because I have an important announcement to make. I will be giving away a 40-minute call with me, yours truly, to one of my lucky subscribers who has commented in the comments below on this video. So I'll be announcing the winner of the 40-minute call with me exactly a week from the publication of this video. So if you're watching this video after a week from now, and I already announced the winner, don't worry, I will be doing these 40-minute call giveaways. But in the comment below, let me know your name, where you're from, how your affiliate marketing business is going, what stage you're at in your business. Are you a beginner? Are you intermediate? What you need help with? And I'm gonna select somebody who gives a meaningful comment. Don't just comment a bunch of emojis and blah, 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 I want the call. You know, make it meaningful. Let me know who you are and where you are in your affiliate marketing business. So check back in a week from now to see who the lucky winner is. All right, guys, I'm Marissa Romero. It's been real, it's been fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.